this way for the... Crank the blade all the way up. And over here. Turn the blade sideways. It's angling this adjustment here. Spinning this side crank wheel. It's got little C-clamps on it because it was missing the crank wheels. You see, you can lean that blade all the way over to 45 degrees. 45 degrees right there. But I'd rather use it right at 90 degrees, which is 0 degrees on this. So I'm cranking it. These little C-clamps work fine. It looks more industrial. Looks better. It's got some character. This saw is like 35 years old. Almost to 0, 90 degrees. Right there. If I want to change the height, this little C-clamp here is the crank for how the blade is. You set it real low if you're making those little dowels, those grooves that you need for like dovetail joints and other things. Or crank it back up if you're just cutting through a 2x4 or a thicker piece of wood. Bring it all up. If you don't trust this gauge being at 0 for 90, put a square up against that. And then turn this one a little bit to make sure you're getting that angle right there. You can barely see it moving. Look, I turn it faster. See that? You're squaring up that saw blade this side here. See it? So a little 1-inch C-clamp on there. Spinning that spindle. I believe on 90 degrees right there. Ba-ding. Ba-dong. Eight-inch direct drive little Craftsman saw. It's tiny, smaller than all those big industrial contractor ones. You can pick it up with one hand. I had two hands, just kidding. It's neat.